So when do you think is a good time to start like tax planning, like as far as income wise? Like when would you say, okay, let's start now?
Yeah. So it comes down to how much work do you want to do? So
Mhm.
if I would say from dollar one, you should be doing your own tax planning. When does it make sense to hire an expert like Tax Sherpa or other people who do similar kinds of things? It's usually 100 grand or so. That's where it starts to make financial sense between what it costs for somebody to come in and do the planning and work with your situation versus the benefit that you get out of it. So if you have your own small business and you're making 100 grand, generally we can come in, we can make a big difference in terms of the taxes. And then the more you make, the more effective everything becomes because everything works on percentages, basically. But yeah, that's a good rule of thumb. But there are exceptions to everything. Sometimes we'll look at somebody and we'll say, okay, here's what you should do, and we'll kind of give you the rough map. And uh, the impact that we're going to make is not going to be enough for you to pay us. We'll give you some resources, and when we would pay for ourselves plus a lot more, then we can do more. But for now, you're in a DIY kind of situation. And at other times, there are people who are making less, but because of their particular circumstances, we're able to sculpt things in a way that really makes a big difference. And that's a little bit rarer, but does happen from time to time. But yeah, 100 is a good rule of thumb to go by. And obviously, we don't speak for anybody else who offers tax advisory services. That's just for us here at Tax Sherpa.